right. I expect to see a big surge in our TurboTax filings this year. So thank you, Kim. It's really great to be here with everyone today. I'm extremely excited to share our performance this year, our insights, and how that's informing our strategic plans to become a much more integral part of our customers' financial lives. In this session, I will share with you how we will bring done-for-you experiences across our entire consumer platform. And Arundhati will come up here and show how those experiences will come to life in our products for one of our critical customer cohorts. So as we unpack our performance and we share our strategic plans, we have three critical takeaways we'd like you to leave with. One, we are making traction across a massive opportunity. While we had 15% growth this year, which we're super proud of, there's much more growth ahead of us. Two, we have momentum in solving more of our customers' critical problems across our platform. Powered by data, artificial and human intelligence, we are uniquely positioned to start to serve our customers across tax, money, and personal finance. And finally, our platform is a powerful ecosystem of offerings that actually our customers can rely on to drive their prosperity every single day. And we're just getting started in bringing together our reach, our capabilities, and our data to drive engagement, adoption, and monetization, both in the near term and for the long term as well. So let's take a look back on our last fiscal year. We're incredibly excited that the consumer platform is approaching $8 billion of revenue. And that is built off of the back of an incredible fiscal year 25, 15% growth. That was driven by returning TurboTax to double-digit growth year over year, and an impressive 32% growth in Credit Karma. What's really exciting for us is that performance was powered by our critical growth vectors. Sasan talked about TurboTax Live. We hit breakthrough adoption this year, and that generated 47% revenue growth year over year. And this cements our conviction that we can grow our assisted tax business by offering a superior experience, fastest access to money, and we can do it at the best price in the market. And with Credit Karma, we saw a 43% increase in our Lightbox conversion, highlighting the importance of our data and our personalized offers that deliver both value to our customers and our partners. And our focus on this frictionless platform experience that we talked about last year, coupled with innovative money products, we added new growth vectors for this past year. We saw a 30% increase in Credit Karma members filing in TurboTax, and 240% growth in our money products across our platform. So now let's dive deeper into tax. We are positioned more than ever to transform the tax market with our data, AI, and HI capabilities. While we had an incredible year in TurboTax, and we're super proud of that, we have much more headroom to grow in the 86 million returns that are filed through the assisted tax segment. In fact, there are over 11 million customers that switch tax filers each and every year. And because we invested in local, we now have 80% coverage of local searches, which means we can serve those customers when and where they are looking for that help. And most importantly for us, our distributed expert network that's powered by AI enables us to efficiently scale our services across the country. And now turning to Credit Karma. We are incredibly proud of the 18% compounded annual growth rate we've seen since fiscal year 21. In fact, we've doubled our revenue in just 4 short years. This is powered by the depth of our personalization and our offerings within our Lightbox platform, and our strategic focus on expanding our growth verticals like insurance, which grew 106% this past year. But to be clear, AI is the power behind our platform. It delivers durable growth as we deliver 60 billion daily predictions to arrive at a financial solution that's unique to our members on our platform. And so more than ever, our consumer platform is able to deliver prosperity. We're going to bring the experiences to our customers that they need to make easier, faster, and better financial decisions every single day. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how we will use these offerings and how we're uniquely positioned to deliver those offerings to our customers and deliver on our mission. As always, we always start with focusing on our customers, and our consumer problems range from making ends meet when every dollar matters, getting every dollar they deserve and have earned in their tax refund, getting faster access to money when they need it to pay debt, to maybe save for a rainy day, or to start investing in their future. And for the more than 75% of US households with less than $100,000 in annual income, these decisions are daily and they're daunting. Managing personal finances are not easy. People's data is fragmented across multiple apps, making it time-consuming and difficult to make these decisions. In fact, consumers spend, on average, 7 hours a week managing these personal finances. And 64% don't feel confident in the decisions that they're making. And that's because until now, they have not had one platform that they can turn to that works for them, that works in their best interest, and that does the work so they don't have to. And it's a massive landscape. It's a $142 billion TAM across the consumer finance ecosystem. And we have the opportunity now to actually meet those consumer needs at tax, money, and personal finance. And we've already seen incredible growth this year across each one of those categories. And we're poised to accelerate even further as we focus on our continued disruption of the assisted tax market, as we maintain our revenue share in DIY, and we expand value and adoption in personal finance and money for our year-round engagement. So with our AI and HI-enabled experiences on our platform, we will give consumers insights to confidently make the right decisions year-round. Our platform provides the tools that will enable those financial decisions on a year-round basis. So for instance, in tax, we will deliver the best experience for our customers by driving maximum outcomes and value for all of our customers. For our money offerings, we are able to deliver fast access to refund. For many Americans, this is the largest paycheck of the year. But not only will we deliver that, we will actually help them save and manage it more effectively. And in personal finance, we will help our customers manage debt, do more with their money, and help them manage their credit cards, loans, and insurance products that are best suited for them. All of this is enabled by our AI agents, such as our document assistant, which will take unstructured data and translate that for customers in TurboTax, and our debt assistant for debt management within Credit Karma. And our consumer platform is built on those strategic advantages that we've talked about quite a bit today: data, artificial, and human intelligence. But combining that is where we actually get tons of value for our customers. We have scale with two of the most trusted brands in consumer finance in TurboTax and Credit Karma. And they each have massive customer bases. But you combine that with the value we can unlock with the 70,000 data points we have per customer, our platform allows us to serve and solve more problems for our customers, from tax and credit to money management and savings. So looking ahead, our strategy is built on 3 core pillars: tax, money, and personal finance. Our platform experiences will work seamlessly so that we can get the fastest access to money for our customers and do more with it. What this means is we will be doing the work for our customers. We will be connecting them to the AI-powered experts when they are needed and delivering unparalleled customer benefits across this process. So let me dive into the details on each one of these. Last year, unlocking our local presence drove significant growth in our traffic and in our engagements with our tax experts. So this year, we will continue to prioritize local to capture this significant runway we have ahead of us in the assisted tax segment. We are going to be broadening our local presence, and we will be shifting our experiences to a service-first experience this next year. For business tax, we will build on the momentum that we had this year in our 3x growth that we saw for our business tax product. We will be leveraging our local presence that I just talked about, but specifically for businesses, we will be bringing industry expertise into our product and into our experts so we can focus on acquiring and scaling that business again this year. We'll continue also to manage and maintain our revenue in DIY share by delivering agentic experiences and personalizing across key customer cohorts. Last year, our customers told us they want, but more importantly, they need faster access to their money. They want personalized insights as well that we can generate based on their cash flow through their connected accounts in Credit Karma. So this year, we are focused on helping our customers access more money quickly. So we will expand our fast money options, and that's all backed by the power of our tax and financial data underwriting. We will help them do more with their money by delivering solutions that help customers save more, and access money when they're needed, driving daily engagement. And as we're driving that daily engagement, we will drive tax intent. And with those connected accounts, we will bring more personalized guidance and experiences across our entire platform. And building on our strength in AI and data, and our year-round tax insights, our personal finance strategy this year will transform our experiences to a personalized financial guidance that leverages agentic experiences to improve credit scores, consolidate debt, build wealth, and maximize their tax refund. We will expand in prime and insurance by helping our prime customers make decisions across credit cards, wealth, and insurance. And these year-round tax insights that we will drive and the engagement that comes with that will lead to a far easier and seamless experience come tax time. What's very exciting for us is that we actually demonstrated the power of the consumer platform this past year. In tax, our local strategy drove 1 billion plus impressions and gave us a massive opportunity to serve the assisted customers. Our money offers make it much easier for our customers to manage and save money. And our year-round engagement drives those personalized recommendations in personal finance, which grows Credit Karma and TurboTax businesses. So combined, this gives us really great confidence in our vision and strategy. And I can promise you the team that's designing these experiences is incredibly excited to deliver more value to our customers, to help customers make better financial decisions. And so I'll finish where I started. We had an incredible year last year with 15% growth across the consumer platform. But more importantly, this sets us up for a massive $142 billion opportunity that's ahead of us in tax, money, and personal finance. And we are poised to capture this opportunity through the power of our consumer platform, delivering the experiences that our customers need to make easier, faster, and better financial decisions. So now, let me turn it over to Arundhati. Arundhati is going to walk you through how this strategy comes to life for our customers.
Thanks, Mark. Like Mark mentioned, our members struggle with making the right decisions for their unique financial needs. Today, we'll walk you through our end-to-end consumer platform experience through the lens of Desiree, who represents a large and growing customer segment where we have significant momentum. Desiree owns a growing wedding photography business while also working part-time as a garden center manager. With her family CPA recently retired, she is one of the over 11 million customers who we estimate switched assisted tax prep methods in tax year 24. Beyond taxes, Desiree is navigating financial challenges faced by many of the 60% of small business customers who are sole proprietors, like high interest debt and the need for flexible cash flow to manage expenses. 80% of our new assisted tax customers last year were similar to Desiree in prioritizing convenience, value, and a fast refund. This year, we are doubling down on 3 key value propositions that helped us fuel 47% assisted tax revenue growth in TY24. 1, local expertise. 2, AI-powered automation. And 3, fast access to money. Let me show you. Desiree opens her favorite AI app to search for nearby tax preparers. In FY26, we are laser-focused on optimizing AI search, building on our strength in SEO with our hybrid physical and digital strategy. Last year, customers made tens of millions of searches for local tax experts. Desiree taps to visit the TurboTax Phoenix storefront page, where she can call the store immediately or browse the profiles of multiple local experts. Assisted-seeking customers are 5 times more likely to book with a pro within 50 miles and twice as likely to convert with a local match. Customers can also schedule convenient online appointments, tapping into our 13,000 virtual experts nationwide. This year, all without the friction of creating an account upfront. And for those customers who are not immediately ready to connect with an expert, this year, we are launching our new AI concierge, which will answer common questions in a personalized conversational style, like what full service is, and how much she'll pay. Price transparency is one of the things our customers care about most. Intrigued, Desiree answers a few questions about her tax situation. She confirms any additional income and gets a free price estimate, representing an incredible value with a guaranteed maximum price. Now, Desiree feels confident getting started with a tax expert. So, the AI concierge matches Desiree with her expert, Ben, whom she's happy to see is also in Phoenix, has 13 years of experience, and has expertise in small business income. Ben reaches out to start a one-way video call. Desiree joins the call, where Ben will answer her initial questions. And he helps her create a TurboTax account to securely share her data. Once her account is created, Desiree can share her screen so that Ben can easily guide her as they get started on her tax forms. Our AI document assistant will help Ben generate a checklist with all the documents that Desiree needs. Ben also walks her through connecting her bank account and bulk uploading other relevant tax documents, like her business expenses. Our AI agent will then categorize and extract information from all of these docs, one of the many ways it helps our experts become even more efficient. Today, we support categorization and extraction of 90% of the most popular forms that customers use in TurboTax. In the future, our document assistant will do even more of the work of identifying, locating, and importing tax-related documents automatically for Desiree. Ben now has everything he needs and advises Desiree to download the TurboTax app so she can be notified when he's done. Desiree hangs up, and she's very happy to have some time back to edit wedding photographs. So she downloads the app, which lets her follow along live on Ben's progress. And within an hour, she gets a notification that Ben has finished her taxes. They connect again, and Ben guides her through her total refund amount, including his personal summary of her tax outcome. He also highlights that she can get access to her federal refund amount instantly by opening a Credit Karma Money account. Excited, Desiree continues to pay, sign, and create a Credit Karma account. Ben files her return for her, and within 60 seconds of IRS acceptance, her refund hits her Credit Karma Money account. Previously, Desiree would typically wait over 3 weeks to finish filing and get her refund. We can now complete the entire process and get her refund into a Credit Karma Money account within an hour, all at a compelling, transparent price. And getting refunds into customers' hands quickly is an incredibly powerful driver for daily engagement on our consumer platform. For nearly half of Americans, their tax refund is the largest paycheck of the year. Now, Credit Karma will help Desiree use that money to start building wealth. So let me show you how that journey is superpowered with our AI agents: Refund Assistant, Debt Assistant, and Tax Assistant. Desiree opens Credit Karma, and her tax refund is ready to use in her money account. Our AI-powered Refund Assistant will use the data from financial connections she already linked through TurboTax to maximize the impact of her tax refund, whether that's putting money into a high-yield savings account or paying down a loan. In Desiree's case, her best course of action is to use her refund to pay off close to 40% of her high-interest credit card debt from business expenses. Credit Karma is also monitoring Desiree's entire financial picture, including her spending, bills, fees, savings, and investments, all through Intuit's integrated consumer platform. Throughout the year, we'll use this data to help Desiree proactively navigate her financial journey while building daily engagement. We continue to push the envelope on helping members build their credit with tools such as Credit Builder and our latest innovation, Credit Spark. These tools are particularly valuable to our growing Gen Z member base, who often have limited credit history. So let's fast forward a month. Desiree receives a notification that her credit score has increased after paying down her credit card balance, and she can continue to build her credit by using Credit Spark. She learns that it will boost her credit score by adding her rent and utility bills to her credit history. All she has to do is to continue making payments on time. So she enrolls in Credit Spark and reviews her payments, which have been pulled automatically into Credit Karma since she already linked her financial accounts to do her taxes. Now, Desiree can set it and forget it and watch her credit score increase while she pays her bills. Credit Karma leads the industry with free credit improvement tools that help members monitor and build their credit score with ease. After another few months, Desiree's credit score has increased further since her credit utilization is down and Credit Spark has been active. Meanwhile, our new AI-powered debt assistant will be leveraging all of her connected accounts and data to proactively search for ways to help her save more on her remaining debt. She receives a notification that Credit Karma has identified an opportunity to help her save on that debt. She opens Credit Karma to find out more and sees an insight from Debt Assistant. It suggests she get started with a personalized plan to help her pay down her debt faster and with less interest. She taps in to learn more and shares her comfort level with her current payments. Because our platform has all the rest of her information, our Debt Assistant doesn't need anything else to surface the right solution for her. Now, we can present a tailored debt consolidation plan that offers Desiree a personal loan at a great rate and simplifies her paydown. With this offer, she's saving over $900 in interest and can pay off her credit card debt sooner. This Credit Karma capability is driven by our proprietary Lightbox technology, which allows Desiree to see all her loan details without her data being shared or any impact to her credit score. The conversions attributed to Lightbox have grown 43% year over year for FY25. Desiree likes her recommended plan and accepts the offer. Then, She applies and is approved in minutes. Last year, we also introduced year-round tax insights for Credit Karma members. This year, we're introducing even more engaging, interactive insights that not only keep members like Desiree engaged throughout the year, but will also capture the critical information they'll need when it's time to file taxes again. So let's take a look. Desiree sees a notification from Credit Karma about a change in her income. She taps in to confirm her new job, and this allows us to update her tax profile in real time throughout the year as we notice potential tax-related events and deductions, updating her profile as we go. So, come next tax season, we can notify her that she's just one step away from her refund. Her filing is already over 80% complete. All of her information is in one place, and she can file her taxes again with Ben, her tax expert from last year. Last year, Credit Karma drove a full point of TurboTax's growth, with a 30% increase in filers coming directly from Credit Karma. Still, only a small share of Credit Karma's nearly 150 million members file with TurboTax today, giving us significant upside. To wrap up for consumer, we finished FY25 strong, setting ourselves up for the massive opportunity ahead in tax, money, and personal finance. We are well-positioned to deliver another year of breakthrough growth by leveraging our proprietary data and strengthen AI and human expertise at scale. I just walked through how we supercharged our customers' financial goals throughout the year, starting from filing taxes conveniently with a local expert, getting their refund right away and putting it to immediate use, building their credit and using that to improve their debt situation, all while prepping next year's taxes as we go so they can be ready to file again immediately. We are excited for our future as we build one consumer platform to truly power prosperity for our customers.